that Yusek Bernardo is lying. But Yusek Bernardo is a state witness now because he has already been evaluated and included in the witness protection program. Is that right?
That is
Check,
correct, Mr. Chair.
All right. And just one point on the substandard that you mentioned earlier, Senator Pangilinan, Mr. Chairman. Itong mga, madali makita nyo yung ghost. This is addressed to the DPWH. Ano? Kita na eh. So madaling ayusin, madaling kasuhan. Okay. Ang sinasabi ninyo ngayon, medyo natatagalan kayo sa substandard. Di ba? Pagka ganun, kailangan pang patunayan eh. Meron pang ano yan, yung quality nung project, ano? So in the meantime, I suggest that what you do is that you either ask the pickup or if you can do it, automatically suspend, blacklist, or ban